Hello, I'm Jordan from TrouDigital, and I'm going to show you how you can connect your media player back to the internet. All you'll need is a USB mouse, so the first thing to do is to plug that mouse into your media player. Then with that connected, you can press the right-click button to exit your content. Press it again to go back to the home page, and open up the Settings app. From here, you can open up Network and Internet, open the Wi-Fi settings, and find your Wi-Fi network. Click on that, and with the pop-up keyboard, you can type in your Wi-Fi password. Once that's been entered, you can click Connect to connect to the network. Once you see that your network has been connected and the Wi-Fi symbol in the top right corner, click the right-click button again a few times till you get back to that home page. From there, you can open up the Signage player app, and your content should start again automatically. And that's it, you're now connected, and your content will automatically update when you make changes in the studio.